Welcome everyone. Before we jump into this video, on occasion of Indian Railways birthday, yes, you heard it right, Indian Railways is completing 164 years today. I would like to salute all the railwaymen who work hard for the betterment of railways. I also want to thank all the rail fans who helped me during my journeys, and also to all the lovely people who are watching it right now. It is because of you people that my channel has grown to this amount. Thank you for the continuous support.
The new year started at Matli Durga. Then it was a visit to Nidavanda for the Golden Chariot. And we were given a surprise by the Yeshwanthpur Barmar AC Express, Mughal Sarai WDM 3A. It was a long walk between Marallalli and Taikal, exploring new spots along the way. And also catching the first run of Yeshwanthpur Aura AC Express. Next was a visit to Chennapatna. Followed by a sudden run to Mysore to spot the Yellow Twins. We also visited the Mysore Rail Museum. February started with the opening of double line between Chennasandra and Yelahanka. Then a trip to Tondebavi, where we spotted the longest and shortest flight within a span of 10 minutes. Then it was the Tata Nagar WAM 4 at Taikal with the Aura Yeshwanthpur AC Express. trains at Paipnalli. Few of the trains which run with electric locos were seen with diesel links on that day. The first catch of Bleed Blue WDG4 from KGM. This livery is my personal favorite. Train journey to Beer for spotting the brand new WDP-4D twins. March was started by visiting Chennai. Though it was for professional work, I got to spend some time with the local trains. Next was a bus ride to Makli Durga. Where we climbed a hill and enjoyed the trains curving by. Last 2 weeks were spent at Malleshwaram, watching the magic of twin single line. April saw a peak summer and the spotting started at Soldevanalli. where we first spotted the Queen of SWR crossing the King of Bangalore-Hubli line, the Janashatabdi Express. The main reason for this trip was to capture the new variation of Bleed Blue WDG4. Next day, we proceeded to Birur to capture the same twins, but with the Bleed Blue loco in the lead. Indian Railways then decided to surprise everyone by giving LHP coaches to Haryana Intercity. Was lucky enough to spot a Baldi after a long time with the Kondavidu Express. The rest of the month was spent chasing 12028 and 12776, the Bleed Blue twins. May saw me finally making some trips. The first one was to Tumkur, where we spent our day roaming around nearby locations. Then a run from Matli Durga to Ketoalli. And finally, after a long time, made it to the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. A short visit to Nayan Delhi was spotting the Hubli's version of Bleed Blue TG4 and off-link Kazipet twins with the Rajarani Express. With the sun cooling down and June 1st approaching, a trip was made to Pune. The first day was spent at a diesel paradise with poles, and the next day without the poles, the Shindwani Ghats. It was June 1st, and the main reason of this Pune trip, birthday of the Deccan Queen. Then a quick journey to Mumbai to see the Mumbai's version of Deccan Queen's birthday celebration. It also happened to be the birthday of Punjab Mail. A special applause to Mumbai and Pune rail fans for celebrating the train's birthday every year. The night saw us board the rocket for a journey through Konkan. We then got down at Udupi to enjoy some Konkan action from outside the train. Back to Bangalore, it was time for Matli Durga again. This time, the trip was done by walking 10 kilometers through the Matli Ghats. Special mentions include Yellow WDG Force, discovery of open S-curve thanks to the doubling work, and the Maulali Baldi twins with the Jaipur Express. Then it was roaming on the Bangalore-Tumkur stretch to capture the perfect combination: Bleed Blue, WDG4 and the LHP rake. it was time for an historic capture. But before that, I was treated by the alcos. And finally, after a long wait, it happened. AC loco testing on the Bangalore Dharmavaram section. Next on the menu was Hyderabadi biryani. SCR gradients, Valigonda, Raigir. Anantagiri Hills and the speed zone Gatkesar. And with this, it was the end of trains for June. July started with exploring the meter gauge alignment of Makli Ghats. Guntukal Bangalore line was meter gauge until early 80s. Next was chasing the visitor from Rajasthan with the Jaipur Express. The CRS happened on the Bangalore Dharmavaram line. And that also gave me a chance to capture an electric loco passing through Malleshwaram. The Panto was raised first with the Indupur passenger. Next week was spent capturing the electric action at Malleshwaram. before heading to Makligards for the same. Our freight was followed by another train which has lost its diesel link, Chennai Satyasai Prashanthi Nilayam Express. The electrics have slowly started to take over the Makligards. And with that, it's the end of July.
And with that, it's the end of part 1 of Best Moments. Don't worry, part 2 is already ready and it's under upload. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section which part you like the most.